Hi, love bugs. Okay, so for this eyebrow tutorial, all you're going to need is a spoolie and some pomade. Now, as you can see, I'm just brushing my hairs upwards. And this just allows for a more clean look. Now, as you can see, I'm using my eyebrow brush in a different way. Like the angle is going downwards, and I feel like this just allows for a more precise look. Now, I'm just tracing the bottom of my eyebrows. And you never want to overline. I'm just following the same flow that my eyebrow hairs go in. Now I'm just brushing them down. And this just also allows for a more clean, precise look at the top. And you never ever want to bring that pomade to the front of your brow. You always want to leave some type of space to achieve the natural look, if that's what you want. Now, if you want the bulky brows, sis, you know that's the way to go. If you know what I'm talking about, then you know what I'm talking about. But now, as you can see, I'm just following the direction of my brows, and I'm just tracing it out. Then I'm just filling them in, like so. And this is what I mean. This is why you don't want the space, because once you use that spoolie and space that out, they're going to look so clean and natural. And obviously, now I'm just cleaning them up with some Tarte Shape Tape, concealer, and this paintbrush that I got from A.C More's. And once that is done, now I just kind of blending that out. And your brows are done. Simple and easy.